Why is comparison so important? Everyone has been in a situation where they have purchased something from a store and then a little while later, across town, they see their new purchase on sale in another store and realize that they have missed out on a saving. Auto insurance can be as frustrating but even more costly if a person rushes into committing to the first policy they see. Comparing insurance companies will allow the car owner to look at the rates being offered, but also the different policies available. It is important to weigh up cost versus cover. Sometimes the cheapest deals may not provide the client with the cover they need. It is important therefore for a person to know exactly what kind of cover they need before looking at quotes. Comparing companies online. In today's world, the first step most people will take is to scour the internet for answers, and rightfully so, as there is a wealth of information readily available, all at the click of a mouse. There are two main ways to compare companies online. Use a search engines. By typing in cheap auto insurance into a search engine, a huge array of results will appear on the page. By clicking on a company and entering all the relevant details, a person can obtain a quote in minutes. This can then be noted down before moving on to the next company on the search results page. It is important to remember that by using different search phrases and search engines, varying results will be shown, so it is well worth trying out a few variations before calling it a day. Comparison sites. It seems there are comparison sites for practically everything these days, and auto insurance is no different. The benefit of using such sites is that it is not as much time and effort as scouring a results page. The information only needs to be submitted once on one form in order to glean multiple results of quotes that are presented in an easy-to-understand way, usually in the form of a list, so all the information can be seen at a glance. Whilst the comparison sites are extremely useful, they do not produce every single result, and for that reason it is best to combine both methods of comparing companies online. Comparing companies offline. It may be hard to believe, but not all insurance companies have a website, although the vast majority does. By looking through a local phone directory, it is possible to see offline car insurance companies. Offline insurance companies may be smaller companies. This is not necessarily a bad thing. One of the factors involved with working out rates is how many people have claimed from a particular company that year. Therefore, smaller companies may not have had so many claims and may be able to offer lower rates. There is also the benefit of having a face-to-face conversation with somebody where it may be easier to haggle, something which is always worthwhile doing. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.